So I'm back again, and the next thing that I'm going to install is iTerm. It's a macOS terminal. You need a terminal to do a lot of things in programming. Terminals are very powerful. Some people, I've heard, find them intimidating, but they're really not. It's just a dark black screen that doesn't give you any hints or anything like that. You have to use your brain when you use a terminal, which we are all capable of. So here we go. I'm going to install iTerm2, click download. There's the zip file, show on Finder. It's in my downloads folder. I'm going to double click. Then I'm going to right click and I'm going to move this to the trash. I'm going to close this. I'm going to empty my trash because I'm a neat individual who likes things to be clean and clutter-free. So I'm going to double click on this and it's going to bring it up down here. iTerm is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, I'm sure. Open. Move it to the applications folder. I can move myself to the applications folder if you'd like. Yes, go ahead. Move on in. Okay. And there it is. We have installed iTerm, and this is the terminal. I need to figure out how to change this because this is not this person's laptop. And I do know how to do that, but I'm not going to get into that right now because we're going to get distracted if I do that. And I'm going to actually drag this over because it didn't. I'm just going to say replace. Operation can't be, okay, because it's in use. So I'm just going to close this, quit iTerm2, and then I'm going to move you over here to applications. And I'm just going to click replace, and it did that. So now if I click my applications folder, there it is. There's only one. So that's great. It's out of my downloads folder. Again, I like to keep my things clean. So here it is down here in my, I can't remember what this thing is called, my command bar. But here it is, iTerm2, okay? So we have installed iTerm2.